Good morning, children. So the lesson multiples and the factors is going on. Okay, and we have learned what are the multiples and what are the factors. Okay, now see children, in your book, one activity is given. Activity 1. So it is problem set 35. Write numbers 1 to 60. Okay, so here, this activity, we will write the numbers from 1 to 60. Okay, so let's write the numbers. Okay, 8, 9, 10, please. Start writing horizontally. 1, 11, 12. Okay, so in this way you have to write the numbers up to 60. 21, so these are the numbers up to 60. Okay, now what is given next? Draw a blue circle around the multiple of 2. Okay, so blue circle around the, so children, here I am having only white chalk. So I am circle multiples of 2. Means you have to circle all the even numbers. Hmm. 26, 36, 46, 56, 28, 38, 48, 58, 30, 40, 50, 60. So student, numbers having 0 and 2, 4, 6, 8 in its unit place are the multiples of 2, or you can say are the multiples of, or they are the factors of 2. Okay. Now see children, next what is given? Now draw a red circle around the multiple of 4. So here I am having only one. So I am making a triangle around the multiple of 4. So see children, the triangle number is the multiples of 4. And now what is given? Do all numbers with blue circle also have red circle around them? Do all numbers with blue circles have red circles around them? Now some numbers are like 2, 6, 10, 22, 26, 30. No. So what is the answer of this question? Do all the numbers with a blue circle also have red circle around them? No. No, not all numbers with a blue circle also have red circles around them. So what is next? Do all the numbers with red circle have blue circle around them? Means here, do all the triangular number, here the triangles, are the multiples of 10? 2. Yes, CG, 4. It is having triangle as well as circle. So it is the multiple of 4 as well as it is the multiple of 2 also. 8, multiple of 4 and 2. 12, yes, 2 and 4. 16, yes, 2 and 16. 20, 2 and 6, 2 and 4. 32, 2 and 4. 36, 2 and 4. So yes, all the numbers having triangles around them are multiples of 2 as well as multiples of 4. Now next, all multiples of 2 also multiple of 4. So whatever the numbers that are from 1 to 60 only, okay, that are the multiples of 2 are the multiples of 4. For example, 2, 6 and 10 are the multiples of 2. So are they the multiples of 4? No. No, not all the multiples of 2 are the multiples of 4. Now next, are all the multiples of 4 also the multiple of 2? So see, multiples of 4 means that's this triangle and circle. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 and 60, up to 60. Yes, the multiples of 4 are also the multiples of 2. So what is the conclusion from this activity? So numbers from 1 to 6. So conclusion of this activity. All the multiples of but not all the multiples of 2 are the multiples of 4. But all the multiples of 4 are the multiples of 2. Got it, beta? Okay. Now let's see, beta, the another activity. Activity 2. So it is same as like this. Okay, write numbers from 1 to 60. So let us write again numbers from 1 to 60. Okay. So children, these are the numbers from 1 to 60. Okay. Draw a triangle around the multiples of 2. Means you have to draw a triangle around the even numbers. Okay, so this all the numbers having triangle around them are even numbers or the multiples of 2. Now what is given in the next point? Draw a circle around the multiples of 3. So let us draw a circle around the multiples of 3. So 3 ones are. Okay, so say children, some numbers from 1 to 60 having no circle around them, but some numbers having only the triangles around them, and they are the multiples of 2. Some are having only the circle around them, so they are the multiples of 3. But now see, observe these numbers children, like 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 60, 54 are the numbers having circles as well as triangles of 3. Triangles around them. That means what? They are the multiples of 2 as well as multiples of 3. And now next point beta. Now find numbers divisible by 6. Now you have to find the numbers that are the divisible by 6 or the factors of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 36, 48, 54 and 60. So what are they number beta? They are having circles as well as triangles around them, and they are the multiples of 6. So what is the conclusion of that? The numbers that are multiples as well as multiples of 2 as well as the multiples of 3 are also the multiples of 6. Got it with a conclusion? As well as multiples of are the multiples of means 2 into 3, 6. So numbers that are the multiples of 2 as well as the multiples of 3 are the multiples of 6 also. Got it, children? So here we will stop. Bye bye beta.